Social proof can be critical influence that tips the potential client in your favor. Although testimonials, case studies, and ratings work to provide that social proof, often endorsements or mentions from other companies provide higher credibility. Leveraging those other brands for social proof will take the focus of this lesson as you continue through this course, building brand trust as a small business.
Sounds great, but where can you get these endorsements and partnership promotions?
Well, it varies by industry. Online professional directories are companies that feature recommended professionals, certifications, interviews from credible news sites, and collaboration or contributions can be those partnerships that set you apart.
That sounds great. How can we start getting promoted by other companies?
Well, you can start by determining your goal, whether that's to drive traffic to your website, grow your email list, or gain new social media followers. Then find brands that can help you achieve those goals. There are many ways to partner with other brands. You could create brand awareness through a giveaway that requires participants to give their email address or follow both brands on social media. You might consider collaborating on an email blast. You could also try partnering with a brand to include a promotional postcard or free samples in their customers' orders.
Then there are companies that have recommendation directories. Companies always want to recommend businesses or products that they know will help their users.
That's right. Often these companies will create a recommendation page, series of blog posts, or even a searchable directory. Some will have tiers in which companies can be highlighted or featured. If you are featured, mention these directory accolades on your website.
Some industries have opportunities for certifications or a chance to earn a displayable badge that proves a knowledge level.
Yes, and it's also worth seeking certification from business courses that prove your knowledge of a skill or a trade.
All these are great social proofs you can list on your website and mention in your conversations with potential clients.
Another way to leverage social proof is to get featured on the website of others through testimonials for the product or software. Even though you are helping them with their social proof, visitors are seeing your face, name, and company name as using the product. If potential clients are using that software, they may look you up to connect with a specialist.
Another way to leverage mentions in popular places is when you are featured in articles on credible websites. If the article mentions your company name, you can list those publications on your website as seen in.
Right. There are services out there that can help with this, like Help a Reporter Out. This free email list provides a way for you to respond to requests as an expert to requests from news outlets.
You can even get connected with blog and news site editors at in-person events or through shared contacts on LinkedIn. Drop a quick line and mention you're always available as a source on your subject matter.
Consider all these ways of leveraging the credibility of others to provide social proof to potential clients. With all these options, stay genuine in your approach and it will work in your favor.
Even though leaving testimonials, taking certifications, and connecting with other companies could lead to more social proof for you, only do them because you genuinely want to help and get connected to the companies and software you trust or believe in.